Good morning, children. Welcome back to class 4 and 5 English. In the previous class, we learned simple present tense. And today, we are going to learn present continuous tense. So, where do we use present continuous tense? So, we already learned there are 4 subdivisions in present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So we already discussed in details with examples what is simple present tense, and even the case where we have to use or where do we express simple present tense. Now we are going to learn in details where do we use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense we use when the action is in progress. For example, I am teaching a lesson. I am teaching a lesson. So here the action is in progress. So the action which is happening at the time of talking, we have to express in present continuous tense. Example, I am teaching a lesson. More examples. You are listening my class. You are listening my class. So when I am teaching a lesson which is in present continuous, the action is in progress. You are listening my class. That comes under present continuous tense. So now let us learn the formula how to write present continuous tense. So you remember the formula of simple present tense? Now let us learn the formula of present continuous tense. Subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus is, am, are plus V1 means present tense and adding ing with that plus object. In other words, we can say subject plus is, am, are plus. Directly we can write V4 plus object. What do you mean by V4? Present participle. That means with the base form when we add ing, that is called present participle. And since you are in the lower classes, let us learn subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Okay, so now you should know what are the cases we can use is, am, are. Like we learned in the previous lesson, the cases of persons like first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person singular plural. So now let us learn where do we use is with the subject. Definitely that is only for third person singular. For example, he, she, it. Only with these three we can use is. For example, he is eating a banana. He is eating a banana. So, the action of eating banana is in progress. The action is going on happening. Likewise, she is dancing well. She is dancing well. That means the action of dancing is going on happening at the time of talking. Now here with the last one, third person singular, it is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. Okay, so subject plus is. So we use is with the third person singular. Okay, subject plus is plus V1 plus ing plus object. Subject he. Since he comes under third person singular, we take the verb is, and V1 is eat. With eat we add ing, eating. Object is a banana. Okay, likewise let us check the second exercise. Subject is she. She comes under third person singular. So we take the verb is. She is. Dance is the verb. V1. With that we add ing, dancing well. Likewise, it, subject. The verb is it is. Since third person singular. Rain is the V1. We are adding ing with it is raining heavily. Is that clear? Fine. Now, let me go to next verb, that is am. Where do we use am? Okay, with the subject plus am plus V1 plus ing plus object. So there it is first person singular. First person singular. I am doing my work. I am doing my work. Okay, so here subject is I. Since I first person singular, we have taken am, do plus ing, doing, object, my work. I am doing my work. Okay, now let's go to the third one, that is are. Where do we use are? With the subject. Okay, so that is when the subject, first person plural, second person singular plural, and third person plural, we use are. Okay, let us start with first person singular, that is first person plural, that is we. We are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. So here the subject is we, plural of first person, we here. And since the subject is first person plural, we have taken are. We are playing cricket because the subject is plural here. Okay, so we are playing cricket. Subject are, play plus ing, V1 plus ing, playing cricket. Now let us take second person singular and plural. One and the same. You are writing your notes. You are writing your notes. The action is in progress. The action is going on, happening at the time of talking. Subject you. So that is second person singular plural. And then we have to add are, write, V1 with ing, writing your notes. Now coming to the last one, that is third person plural, that is they. They are doing their homework. They are doing their homework. So subject they, third person plural, and since the subject is plural, we have taken the verb are, do plus ing, V1 plus ing, doing, so object their homework. They are doing their homework. So here, am and are used for, am is used for first person singular, and then are is used for first person plural, second person singular plural, and third person plural. Okay? So once again, let me rewind. Present continuous tense, we do express it when the action is in progress. When the action is in progress. So, the formula is subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. At the same time, we can also use V4 plus object. V4 means present participle. Okay. So, I told you all the cases. Go through the video again and again. Try to understand it and work out on that. Thank you.